As a garage owner, you understand the complexities and challenges of your business. You've got enough on your plate with liabilities, equipment breakdown, employee safety, and more. That's why we've created this national insurance program designed for the automotive industry. This is the elite league of coverage, and you're on the guest list. Who are we, you may ask? We're not your average run-of-the-mill, check-the-box, hope-you're-covered kind of insurance guys. No way. We're the auto garage insurance specialists. You know what's average? A basic policy that leaves you high and dry when you're knee-deep in engine grease. You don't do average. Neither do we. Our exclusive insurance program is custom-tailored for garage owners who demand nothing but the best. Employee slip-ups? Covered. Equipment malfunctions? Done. Liability nightmares? Forget about them. We have the tools to ensure your business is humming like a finely tuned V8, offering all things garage insurance, from garage liability to garage keepers, workers' comp, commercial auto, employee benefits, and more. Insurance might be our game, but partnership is our aim. We're in it for the long haul, working with you to ensure your garage keeps firing on all cylinders, 24/7, 365. So are you ready to kick those insurance worries to the curb and return to doing what you do best? Reach out to us today, because we are the Auto Garage Insurance Specialists.